In front of me is Tank 3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Passwords and Accounts. Then click on this gear next to Google under Autofill Service and select Google Password Manager. Now, if you never added a password before, you won't see any of those options. To make them visible, you need at least one, so to fix it, hit this gear next to Password Manager. Make sure that Offer to Save Passwords is on, log in to any app and hit Save in Autofill pop-up. Then to add any other password from here, use this plus next to Search Passwords. Then input all of those informations. At the top, you can pick any website, or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even some helpful words. Or notes, or whatever you want to actually. Then hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!